Come on, come to mummy. Come to mummy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come to mummy. Come on. One hand in front of the other. You can do it. You can do it. And the other one. Yes, come on. Come on. Ruby, come to mummy. Come to mummy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Other hand. That's the girl. Other hand. Other hand. Come on.
So they searched up the top there. Her body was found in the water tanks. These things were only about 1 metre by 2 or 3 metres high. And that's
Come on.
what's surrounding this.
You can do it.
Did she get in there? Her name, the woman we're talking about, is Alyssa Lamb. She's a 21-year-old Canadian student.
Come on.
She came down to LA, was here for 4 days, called her parents every one of those 4 days. Then 2 weeks ago, she suddenly disappeared, completely off the map, stopped phone calls, no more emails. A maintenance worker found her body up in those tanks.
That's it.
Because someone complained
That's
about
it.
the water pressure
Come
in
on.
the hotel. So she's been up there in that tank. People have been showering, brushing their teeth, drinking the water. She's been there for a few weeks. People, understandably, none too impressed.
Wouldn't you be if there was a dead body in the water you were using and drinking?
It's kind of hard, the whole damn thing.
So this really has turned now into a murder mystery. The tank itself where she was found is not locked, but the roof that the tank is on top of is. It's also alarmed and does have some cameras up there. So the police are now trying to get to the bottom of that. She would have also had to have climbed a ladder to get inside that tank. It's sort of hard to get in there. They had to cut it in half just to get her out. So this is all part of the mystery. There's also CCTV video of her last night. This is the last night that she was seen. This is a look inside the hotel. You can see her sort of wandering in and out. She's pressing all the buttons. She definitely looks agitated for some reason. It circulated when she went missing, and it was the last night she was seen. So hotel guests at the moment are being questioned. Unfortunately, her parents have flown in. They wanted to find her, and they have done that, of course. But
Ruby.
You do it again.
Australia won't be sending a Navy boat to police the Southern Ocean following a clash between protest groups Sea Shepherd and a Japanese whaling ship. Bob Barker and Steve Irwin.
Ruby.
Tony Burke says the government will continue to pursue action against Japan in the International Court of Justice.
Come on. Up you get. Oh.
Now, as a government, we make sure it's not something that we try to settle in a car park, we settle in the court.
Japan has denied reports it's called off its annual whale hunt in the wake of the collision.
Up you get. Up you get. Up you get. Come on. Come on. Up you get.
The competition watchdog last week told the Senate committee that more than 50 of the
Almost.
supermarket suppliers had come forward with complaints about the way in which those supermarket giants have treated them. They might have been farmers or food producers or other suppliers, but he will take that seriously as part of the investigation into the supermarket.
Show me how you do it again.
Today, he challenged those supermarket groups to create one in place. The problem
That's the way.
nobody, even him, had never
Oh, good girl. Clever girl. Look at you.
Clever.
It's a complete involuntary code, and I think generally people would say it hasn't worked at all.
Rod Sims also is identifying the labelling
Ruby.
as another area
Come to mummy.
consumers may be
Come on.
done.
Come to mummy.
In particular, he wants to investigate the labelling of free-range chicken, say, for example, or on top of that, also where actual meat and other supplies have come from. He cites examples where even products from King Island didn't come from that place.
Still to come this afternoon, the Obama special message to the brave television personality who beat cancer against all the odds. Also after the break, today's top
So way.
including Whitetail
That's the way.
He's axing hundreds of jobs. And he dominated the Grammys, but how did Aussie superstar Gautier go up against the Brits? That's next.
What do you call that? What do you call that?